down, and you assemble it again, fix inside this car, which is Nissan Pathfinder 202. And this is how we're gonna do it. So stay tuned and watch how we do mount the whole engine and assemble it later. But do watch, subscribe and like our video and share. Alright, stay tuned. This is how we're gonna do it. TBC mark. Okay, so it's key to key here. This is the TDC mark, which is bank 1. Sometimes you can take off the spark plug bank 1 to be, but this is quite simple. So this is the first thing you're supposed to do, and second way, this is the marks and this is also the mark. So which point are you going to indicate to the mark to get the correct timing? So I have to turn this camshaft. I have to turn it to 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree will give me the correct mark. Okay, so you can see it is pointed this mark, which is the correct mark, and here too I'll turn it to another 45 degree. Okay, so these are the indicated points you're supposed to use it for the correct proper timing. This engine timing is very complicated, so without this and use other mark to do it will give you the wrong timing. So on top here you see the level pegging of the camshaft, which are all on the same one. So bank 1 is already set, so making it at this will give you the correct timing. This is the bank 1, it has set like that. So you just set up your sprocket and fix it key to key, and when you finish you align the timing chain. So this is the timing chain alignment. This is the timing chain alignment for bank 1. So you can see also it's a key to key. Okay, here key to key. So this is what it's gonna be, and after you have set it, you just align it. Okay, so it's like that. It's like that, which this mark will give you on top. So calculating it will also face the same thing, which indicates this mark at the back here. This will give you the main chain timing, but this one is the camshaft timing, and after that you come to the main chain timing, which I'm showing you right now. Okay, so there is also a deep mark at the back here, which will also indicate this inner key like this. So you count on this chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which sometimes have a key. Okay, let me see if I can see it. Okay, this is the key. Okay, this is the timing chain mark, and this one. So let's count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 will give you exact timing position for this particular engine, and for all VinQ and VinQ40 engines. So this is how it is, and with this procedure it will give you the correct timing and correct start. So watch it carefully to use it for all Nissan Pathfinder engines, and especially Quest and other engines that use this kind of timing. It's a one procedure, and this is the best way to do. So looking at this place too, I'll take you to bank 2, and bank 2 to you is the same procedure, which you can turn it. Okay, just a simple turn, and then you turn it like this, so it's also a same inner key to key. This is the camshaft position timing, and looking at the top, this is bank 2. So this camshaft, they will not meet together, but one will face down and one will face top, which will also give you the proper camshaft timing. And this is the procedure, and this is how you are going to use it to spark and get the correct timing. So if you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated for more videos. Thank you for watching. It's Eric Center. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Okay guys, welcome back to the second episode of VinQ 35 engine timing reset, and this is the full timing reset. The first one, I made a position to reset the timing point and the max for it, but this is the full timing reset that I can enable you to take you more into details, and also teach you the procedure how to reset it whenever you meet this type of timing. It's very complicated, and I want to assure you that with this kind of timing and my experience and this tutorial, it will teach you and guide you tick by tick to get to the end point of this timing. So this is the main TDC mark. So you can see here there is a deep mark here and this timing chain. So you align this to string it up, making it this TDC mark, and also here you can see the deep mark inside there, which can enable you to flex to get you the bank 1 piston on top. So this is how you do it, taking you to the bank 1 sprocket. This is the VVTI variable valve timing intelligent. So you can see also here, this is the timing chain mark, the blue paint, the dark paint, and this mark, you can see the deep mark out there. So just look at inside there on the front cover, you see some deep mark inside there. That is where you going to reset the camshaft timing. Okay, you can see it here. Yeah, this is the mark. The camshaft timing will also relocate to make it like that, and it's the same as this sprocket. Looking at this sprocket, you can see here, and this pointed mark will give you the equal marks, and inside here you can also see this key to key, which is give you the inside timing correctly. So this is how you're gonna do it, and it's the same procedure. So when you count on the chain, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. This is the 18 interval, which is 90 degree. So that will give you the required timing that you want. Okay, and coming to the sprocket tool, you can see also inside here there is a deep mark here. Okay, making it to flex this one, as same as the other side I show you, which will also give you the same mark. So this is how you are going to reset this timing. And the bank 2 camshaft, this is how it will look located. Okay, this is how it located. Just look at it well. Coming to bank 1. Okay, this is how bank 1 2 is located. So it's very simple and very trickish, but with this kind of procedure you can able to do it and do it better. So I'll take you through once again for you to look at it and this is where I'll end the video. Okay, like this video, subscribe, put your comment below, and share to other people to get benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and stay updated for more tutorials, because update and upload useful information on this particular platform to help the people out there. Thank you. It's Eric Center once again. See you. Bye bye.